Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Fingers USB Tonic H9 headphones. As we can see on the front of the package, we can see an image of the headphones themselves, some Fingers branding on the right and USB Tonic H9 branding on the bottom. On the left hand side, we have some more Fingers branding and we have the website of the brand at the bottom. On the right hand side of the package, we have a sticker which shows the importing and manufacturing details. We also have the contents of the package on this sticker, which includes the USB Tonic H9 headset itself, a brand note, and that's it. Right at the bottom of the sticker, we have some details regarding the customer care. On the top, we have another image of the product showing off the gold accent and highlights. At the back of the package, we have some Fingers branding once again, an image of the product but in a different angle. And at the bottom right here, we have some key features of the product. Let's go through them one by one. It says here that it has a high definition sound for clear calls. It has a powerful 40 mm driver in each ear cup. It has superb comfort thanks to soft cushioned ear cups and headband. It has an adjustable microphone and it is suitable for voice calls, multiplayer internet gaming, video conferencing, music, speech recognition and dictation, and language and other training. Right here we have a QR code that can be used to register for the warranty, although we would recommend that you look at the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty. On top we have some Fingers USB Tonic H9 branding once again, and there is nothing on the bottom. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package. Let's get into it now. We get a thank you note from the brand, and on the other side we have the QR code once again that helps you register for the warranty. At the bottom we have the social media handles for the Fingers brand as well. Let's get to the headphones themselves. Here we can see that there is a soft padding all around the headband, and the headband itself seems to be pretty sturdy but not too flexible. The headband itself is made from plastic, and here we can see the Fingers logo, and here we can see the Fingers branding. While we are here, we can also see the adjustability of the microphone, which seems to be around 100 degrees. Coming to the ear cups, we have some soft cushions right here, but they seem pretty durable as well, black in color. And we can see some gold or copper colored highlighting around the ear cups and over here as well. The ear cups themselves have a ball mount which make them a little bit more flexible, and that should ensure good comfort while wearing the headphones. Coming to the cord, it is a 2 meter long cable, as we can see here, and it has a USB Type A interface. The inline remote has 4 chunky buttons on it, the plus and minus buttons being for the volume adjustment, and there are 2 buttons over here. Basically it's on a rocker, and if you press this button it will mute the microphone, and this button will mute the speakers or drivers in the ear cups. There are also 2 lights right here which will light up when the headphones are turned on by just plugging them in, and we have another light that will show if the microphone has been muted. So this has been the unboxing of the Fingers USB Tonic H9 headphones. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.